name's Kieran and I'm one of the lead tutors on the Access Art and Design course. So I just wanted to really quickly explain to you how the course works and a bit about any sort of questions that might be popping into your head. So essentially the course is open to people from any level. So any level of experience is fine. We've got a really great group of friendly tutors who will be getting you kind of started on the course through the induction and help you choose your particular pathway, which will be dependent on your interests and also what you're looking at doing at university. So in terms of pathways that we offer, so we've got craft and printmaking, fine art, photography, and graphics, which is pretty good coverage. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll be helping you build up your knowledge and portfolios within each of those pathways and with general sort of art skills. And you'll have pretty much constant contact, the possibility of constant contact with your tutors, and really comprehensive lessons as well. So that pretty much covers it, I think, as a general kind of introduction. Hopefully you guys are interested. If you want to find out more, you can look through the information on the website. You can also get in touch and ask any questions that you may have before getting started. Yeah, it's nice to meet you, and I'll hopefully see you soon.